Hello friends, this video contains the brief description of states of India. The real name of India is Republic of India. State Andhra Pradesh, capital Amravati, language Telugu, Hindi, English, classical dance Kuchipudi, and the list of national park. State Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar, language Monpa, Meji Akka, etc. and the list of national park. State Assam, capital Dispur, language Assami and the list of national park. State Bihar, capital Patna, language Hindi and the list of national park. State Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur, language Hindi and the list of national park. State Goa, capital Panji, language Konkani, Marathi, Hindi, English and Kannada and the list of national park. State Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar, language Gujarati, atomic power station Kakrapar atomic power plant and the list of national park. State Haryana, capital Chandigarh, language Hindi and the list of national park. State Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, language Hindi and Pahari and the list of national park. Shimla is the summer capital and Dharmshala is the winter capital. State Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, language Hindi and the list of national park. State Karnataka, capital Bangalore, language Kannada, atomic power plants Kaiga power plant and the list of national park. State Kerala, capital Thiruvananthapuram, language Malayalam, classical dance Kathakali and the list of national park. State Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal, language Hindi and the list of national park. State Maharashtra, capital Mumbai, language Marathi, atomic power station Tarapur atomic power plant and the list of national park. State Manipur, capital Imphal, language Manipuri, classical dance Manipuri and the list of national park. State Meghalaya, capital Shillong, language Khasi, Garo and English and the list of national park. State Mizoram, capital Aizawl, language Mizo and English and the list of national park. State Nagaland, capital Kohima, language English, Hindi and other different languages. National Park, Intanki National Park. State Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar, language Oriya, classical dance Odissi, and the list of national park. State Punjab, capital Chandigarh, language Punjabi. State Rajasthan, capital Jaipur, language Hindi and Rajasthani. Atomic power station Rana Pratap Sugar Atomic Power Plant, and the list of national park. State Sikkim, capital Gangtok, language Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali, and the list of national park. State Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai, language Tamil. Atomic power station Chennai Atomic Power Plant, classical dance Bharatnatyam, and the list of national park. State Telangana, capital Hyderabad, language Telugu, and the list of national park. State Tripura, capital Agartala, language Bengali and Kokborok, and the list of national park. State Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, language Hindi, Garhwali, Kumaoni, and the list of national park. State Tripura, capital Agartala, language Bengali and Kokborok, and the list of national park. State Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, language Hindi, Garhwali and Kumaoni, and the list of national park. State Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow, language Hindi and Urdu. Atomic power station Narova Atomic Power Plant, classical dance Kathak, and the list of national park. State West Bengal, capital Kolkata, language Bengali, and the list of national park. Okay. Now here comes the conclusion part. We have seen the basic details of each state like capital, language, national park, classical dance and atomic power stations. Please do click on like, share and subscribe. Thank you.